Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Find My Phone feature on your Suunto Vertical watch. Now this is kind of a tricky feature to show you because it can be placed in so many different places for you to be able to access it. I'm going to be simply going to the control panel. By default, when you get your watch, to go to your control panel you would press the bottom right button, or if you swipe up that will take you to your control panel. Let me go ahead and go back. Press the bottom button, does the same thing. When you're on your control panel, you can simply press the middle button on the right hand side. That'll take you to your control panel. And then if you go down, this option is under your control panel. It's labeled as Find My Phone. When you're on it, simply press the middle button. And you can see it is ringing my cell phone. Once I've found my phone, I can simply press the stop button and that stops it. I'm gonna go ahead and go back. Where I said you can place it in different places is you could also have set it as either a hotkey up at your top right button or at your bottom right button. I've got it set for my bottom right button. If you've got it set as a hotkey, all you'd have to do is press and hold that button. And instead of having to go through your control menu, you've got it right there. Anyway, that's a look at the Find My Phone feature on the Suunto Vertical. I hope the video helped.